Hey guys, it's February and I'm back at Fresh at Carmichael and asking students what they're having for lunch. Let's go check it out.
What are you eating for lunch?
Alright, so boom, right? I got me some Carm special chopped suey with some vegetables, some fruits on the side, and you know, a little clementine juice.
I had a bean quesadilla, some like eggplant mix, some edamame, vegetables. Yeah, solid lunch.
Right now I'm grabbing the buffalo chicken breast with some fries and then the side salad from Carm Dining.
Just some pasta, fries, chicken, salad.
American chop suey, some chicken and fries, and I made a salad with grapefruit.
Great. What about you?
I just mixed a bunch of greens and quinoa, and then the french fries are always good at Carm.
Yeah, so I got some buffalo chicken, American chop suey, some vegetables, and a BLT salad.
What about you?
And I also have a salad, buffalo chicken, bean quesadilla, some edamame, and some mushrooms.
Great.
Well, today I have some buffalo chicken, ravioli, rice, and spicy edamame. Looking great.
So I have this barbecue chicken, it's like kind of spicy, and then chop suey and fries.
I also got french fries, chop suey, and buffalo chicken.
And I got some vegetable, mushroom, hamburger, buffalo chicken, American chop suey, and grapefruit, and some lemonade.